welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing slash review video of this Aliexpress company. So let's get into it. So I bought this wig from Wow Angel on Aliexpress. I bought it with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So this is the box. This is what it comes in. Just from them like 3 times so far. Their wigs are very expensive, but their closures are great. Like, in my opinion, they're really good. So of course you have the usual. They always give you goodies, gifts, or whatever. So this is just a little thing about, you know, about whatever. Box, there's a little brochure. It just lets you know like that you can rate them 5 stars. It lets you know how to measure your wig, you know, to know the correct length, but I don't really care about that, so we're just gonna put this to the side. It comes with a wig cap, some lashes, a wig band, and I guess you can say like a little scrunchie or like hair tie. So let's get into the actual product itself. The gifts are cute and all, but let's see what the wig is really hitting for. Like I said, I bought this wig 3 times. This is my 3rd time purchasing. The first time I bought it for my birthday. I'll insert the clip. And the second time I purchased for my mom's birthday. I will also insert that clip. And this time I bought a 5x5 250 density wig. So this is what it looks like. Oh yeah, and it's 30 inches. So this is a 30-inch wig. So this is what it looks like. I've taken it out the box a couple times just to like look at it because it just hits, you feel me? So this is what it looks like out of the box. No manipulation, no washing. This is just it, right? In my opinion, I feel like the hair is pretty soft. I haven't seen any shedding yet, so that's a plus. Let's really get into the closure. When I tell y'all this closure, the knots on this closure eat, like they're so small, they eat. And I feel like it's worth the price. But let's really get into it. It looks so good. And this is no bleach, babes. No flitter. Like, this is no flitter. But yeah, so let's also look at the inside of the cap. So I like the structure of the inside of the cap. It looks pretty durable. It does come with another band on the inside that you can, you know, adjust. An adjustable am I dumb? An adjustable band that comes on the inside, so you can wear this glueless or you can glue it, you feel me? But since this is a 5x5, I won't be gluing it. I'll probably just use some, not got to be, Eben, whatever, Eben spray, the red bottle. But yeah, y'all, like this wig eats. Like I'm really telling y'all, like it really eats. The first time I got it, I got a frontal, and mind you, I don't wear frontals because I like to take my wigs off in the nighttime before I go to sleep, because it's just so uncomfortable. But I tried it out and I was like, all right, it's cool and all, but I don't think I would wear a frontal like constantly. Like, I don't want to have to spray it or glue it down. Like, I want it to be like, you know, literally glueless, like on and off type stuff. So I was like, you know what, let me get a 5x5 for everyday wear, and then I'll just wear the frontal on special occasions. I do need to wash it though, because I wore it a couple times for my birthday. But yeah, like, I really like this company. Like I said, the wigs are expensive in my opinion. Like, they're very overpriced, but they're worth it, you feel me? Like, I'm not even trying to promote this company. Like, honestly, I'm just saying, like, I'm just telling y'all the truth. Like, this hair eats. Like, I don't know, I've seen some reviews online saying that the hair is not the best, and you know, something. in my opinion, I have not seen any tangling. I haven't seen anything crazy about this hair. Like, I feel like it's good. Like, it matches your skin and you don't even have to bleach it. Like, it's pretty good. I would honestly recommend this Aliexpress fender, but you know, and apparently it's supposed to be HD lace. I mean, the knots are pretty small. I don't know how true it is to be HD because I don't know the difference between HD and transparent and Swiss and this and that. You feel me? But honestly, this eats. And in my next video, I will be installing the wig just to let you guys know. I'm not a professional. I know y'all know that. But I could do a little 1 and 2, my 1s and 2s, you feel me? So I'm gonna be doing my little 1s and 2s on this wig. I'm gonna pluck it a little bit, like you know, yeah. Let it eat the girls up, yeah. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. I'm also gonna leave the link to this specific hair, and let me know what y'all think about the hair. Yeah.